Ever wonder how to bridge the gap between your raw brokerage data and a clean, visual dashboard? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the cash activity tracker. The template is split into two parts: the dashboard for visual analysis and the data engine, powered by the Trades to Sheets Imports tab. Since the dashboard handles the math, our mission today is the magic step: automating the data flow from interactive brokers directly into Google Sheets. Step 1, the destination first. Let's prep the landing zone. Create a new Google Sheet. Name it Cash Tracker. This will serve as your data destination. Step 2, connecting the pipes. Now, log in to Trades to Sheets to begin the connection. To allow the system to fetch your data, we need to head over to Interactive Brokers. Navigate to Performance and Reports, then select Flex Queries. Create a new activity Flex Query, and name it Cash Tracker to keep everything consistent. In the Sections menu, select Cash Transactions and choose Detail. For now, select all fields. We can trim these down later. Set the format to CSV and choose your time frame, 365 days, to capture your history. Hit Continue to generate your query ID. Copy that ID, you'll need it in a second. Step 3, setting the sync plan back in Trades to Sheets. Let's automate the updates. Paste your query ID into the Interactive Brokers field to link your account. In the Spreadsheet dropdown, select your Cash Tracker file. Under the Operations tab, name the operation Cash Tracker. Step 4, refining the logic. To keep your dashboard clean and accurate, we need to apply the template's specific logic. Entry settings, filter level of detail to detail. This prevents double counting by ignoring summary rows. Filter type, set this to deposits or withdrawals to isolate your actual cash workflow. Import settings, enable add headers to empty sheets and freeze headers. This keeps your data organized and readable. Named ranges, turn this on. This allows your formulas to find data by name rather than shifting cell coordinates. Step 5, field selection and go live. If you want to keep the sheet lean, go to Field Settings. The Cash Activity Tracker only requires 5 specific fields: amount, FX rate to base, level of detail, report date, type. You can pull more fields to enhance the template as you wish. Click Test Run to watch the data populate your spreadsheet. That's how we develop the template, and you can try to build it your own. Or you can just click the Apply Template preset to use our preset operation template. Let's heads up to Trades to Sheets to try it out. See you in the next video.